Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a complete and professionally designed restaurant website called Foodies. This project includes a modern front-end design, responsive layouts, and a powerful admin panel for managing the website content. The purchase links are available in the description box. You can purchase either the front-end only version or the complete front-end and back-end version, depending on your requirements. Let's begin with the home page. The website has a clean and attractive hero section with a professional restaurant-style design. At the top, we have a simple navigation bar where visitors can easily access the home, menu, about, our chefs, gallery, shop, blog, and contact pages. There is also a book a table button, which is clearly visible in the navigation area. As we scroll down, you can see different promotional sections, food images, discount offers, and restaurant information. The layout is designed to present food items in an attractive and organized way. The website also includes smooth scrolling, modern typography, balanced spacing, and interactive elements that make the overall user experience more professional. Now, let's take a look at some of the other sections. In the menu section, food items are displayed with their names, categories, prices, images, and other important details. Visitors can browse different food categories and quickly find the item they are interested in. The website also has an Our Chefs section where restaurant team members can be displayed with their names, positions, images, and social media information. Next, we have the blog section. This section can be used to publish restaurant updates, food-related articles, special announcements, offers, or upcoming events. The contact page contains a simple contact form where visitors can submit their name, email address, subject, service, and message. At the bottom of the website, there is a professionally designed footer containing contact information, quick links, opening hours, and other useful restaurant details. Now, let's move to the backend and admin panel. The admin panel is protected by a login system. Only an authorized administrator can log in and access the website management features. After entering the correct username and password, the administrator can access the dashboard and manage different parts of the website from one place. First, let's look at the menu management system. From this section, the administrator can view all available menu items. Each item contains information such as the food name, category, price, image, availability status, and action buttons. To add a new menu item, the administrator simply needs to click the Add Item button. A form will appear where the administrator can enter the item name, select a category, add the price, write a description, upload an image, and control whether the item will appear on the home page or remain available for customers. After completing the form and saving the information, the new food item is automatically added to the website. As you can see, the newly added menu item is now visible on the front end. This means the front end and back end are fully connected. The administrator can also edit existing food items, update their information, replace images, change availability, or delete unnecessary items. This makes the website very easy to manage, even for someone without advanced technical knowledge. Next, we have the chef and team management section. From here, the administrator can add new team members by entering their name, position, short biography, image, and social media links. After saving the information, the new team member automatically appears in the Our Chefs section of the front-end website. Existing team members can also be edited or removed directly from the admin panel. This feature allows the restaurant owner to keep the team section updated without manually changing the website code. Now, let's check the blog management system. The administrator can create a new blog post by adding a title, selecting a category, entering the author's name, writing a short description and full content, uploading a featured image, and selecting the publication status. Once the blog post is published, it becomes visible on the front-end blog page. The administrator can also edit existing posts, update their images and content, or delete posts that are no longer required. This section can be useful for sharing food recipes, restaurant news, special discounts, event announcements, and other updates. When a visitor submits the contact form, the message is automatically stored inside the admin panel. The administrator can view the sender's name, email address, subject, service, date, and complete message from the Contact Messages section. The admin panel also includes a password management option. The administrator can change the current password by entering the existing password and setting a new secure password. This helps keep the admin account protected. Finally, let's check the responsive design. The website works properly on desktop computers, tablets, and mobile devices. The navigation menu, food cards, chef profiles, blog posts, contact form, footer, and other sections automatically adjust according to the screen size. On mobile devices, the regular navigation bar is converted into a mobile-friendly menu. All website content remains clear, organized, and easy to use. This responsive feature ensures that customers can browse the restaurant website from any device without facing layout problems. So, this was the complete demonstration of the Foodies restaurant website. This project is suitable for restaurants, cafes, food businesses, university projects, portfolio projects, and client-based web development work. You can purchase the front-end only version or the complete front-end and back-end version. Both purchase links are available in the description box below. Please check the description for complete details. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more website projects and development tutorials.